GMC Hummer EV 2026, and welcome back to Nitro Garage, where we bring you the most powerful, most exciting machines on the planet. Today we are talking about a vehicle that does not just turn heads, it completely stops traffic. The 2026 GMC Hummer EV is not just a truck or an SUV. It is a statement, a revolution, and a full-blown electric supermachine wrapped inside one of the most iconic body styles ever built. GMC has taken everything people loved about the original Hummer and pushed it so far into the future that the old gas-powered version would not even recognize its own DNA. Let us start with what makes this beast breathe. The base 2026 Hummer EV comes with a dual-motor setup pushing out 570 horsepower, while the top-tier tri-motor variant cranks out a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower. Ewing Buick GMC, but that is not even the wildest number. With the upgraded 24-module battery pack on the 3X trim, output climbs all the way to 1,160 horsepower and 13,000 lb-ft of torque, launching this nearly 10,000-pound machine from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. Just American automobiles, let that sink in. A truck the size of a small building moving faster than most sports cars off the line. That is what Nitro Garage is all about. The 2026 model year brings some seriously exciting updates that take this truck to a whole new level. One of the biggest additions is the new King Crab upgrade for the crab walk function, which improves off-road maneuverability in tight and technical terrain. Sharp Automotive. The original crab walk feature already blew minds by allowing the Hummer to move diagonally with all four wheels turned. And now King Crab takes that capability even further with a more advanced rear steer system activated at the push of a button. GMC will even offer the King Crab system as a free over-the-air update to existing Hummer EV owners, so you simply hit download and the system updates itself. The buzz of news. That kind of commitment to owners is rare and seriously impressive. Off-road ability on this machine is in a completely different league. The Hummer EV offers 13 inches of suspension travel and can climb 18-inch verticals with ease, and in 3-motor configuration, it can tow up to 10,600 pounds. Just American automobiles. There is also extract mode that raises the suspension for extra ground clearance when the terrain gets seriously demanding. Underbody cameras, front e-locker, and available full underbody armor round out a package that can handle just about any terrain you throw at it. On the outside, the 2026 Hummer EV is unmistakably bold and aggressive. The boxy four-door design draws inspiration from past Hummer models, featuring a signature LED light bar up front, side-hinged rear gate, and alloy wheels ranging from 18 to 22 inches depending on trim. Sharp Automotive. The new carbon fiber edition available on the 3X trim adds exclusive 22-inch carbon fiber wheels and a stunning Magnus gray matte exterior with a Velocity Ember interior theme that looks absolutely fire. Step inside and the luxury hits immediately. The 13.4-inch premium GMC infotainment screen offers a customizable split view, Google built-in with voice assistance, Chrome, game snacks, Prime Video streaming while charging, and intelligent EV routing. Just American automobiles. The infinity roof fills the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel open and premium. For 2026, GMC also added bidirectional charging capabilities, meaning this truck can charge another electric vehicle or power equipment and accessories directly from the battery. Ewing Buick GMC, and with a free 3-year trial of Super Cruise offering true hands-free driving on over 400,000 miles of compatible roads, now upgraded with Google Maps integration for smoother lane navigation. Sharp Automotive. The tech package alone is worth the price of admission. The 2026 GMC Hummer EV is the definition of a super truck, powerful, capable, technologically advanced, and completely unlike anything else on the road. That is all for today here on Nitro Garage. Stay tuned for more.